Hi everyone, welcome to Tech and Cryptos. In this video, we shall discuss about setting up our payment methods in the Temu app. As we know, Temu is an online shopping app, and if you set up online payment options, it will be easier for you to buy products and check out easily. So, one of the ways you can set up payment options is by tapping on the icon of the product that you want to buy, then add this to your cart. Press on the cart, then check out, continue to check out. And now I have already set up my phone number, delivery address, and apartments, etc. So once I have done that, there is an option called payment methods in the bottom. There you can see multiple number of payment options like your card or your PayPal or your Afterpay or your Klarna. From here you can choose your payment method in the process of checking out and submitting your order. Another way you can set up your payment method is by clicking on your profile icon.
When you get to your profile, go down to settings, tap on settings, and the first option you see, your payment method, is the option from where you can do this. Once you press on your payment method, you will be redirected to a screen where you can insert your card number and your card details so that it gets verified and set up as your default method of payment. So there are two ways you can do this. If you have a variable method of payment, you can enter it manually during checkout, and if you have a default method of payment, you can set it here in the your payment methods option. That's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, do not forget to drop us a like. Also make sure you subscribe to our channel Tech and Cryptos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.